In this video, I am going to show you how to increase Ubuntu interface size. As you can see, if I maximize, this whole part of the window is not covered by the interface when I'm maximized. So, how you can do that? So, what you have to do is go to terminal, type out this command. I would give this in description. Now, after entering this, press enter. Enter the password. After entering the password, press enter. Some files would commands would run out, and press Y. That means yes for it. And once it is done, you would find it like this. So what you have to do, just minimize this and press or devices tab and say insert guest addition CD. And after doing that, it won't be effective. Just uh, power off, power off, and we have to restart it again. Okay, so start, do start. Okay, my um Ubuntu is starting. And then once you open your Ubuntu, uh, if you increase your size, the see it now covers whole window. You press maximize, it would cover the whole window. So yeah, this is how you do maximize your Ubuntu interface size. If you like it, just like and subscribe the video.